Welcome to 125 Caterpillar. To solve this challenge, we want to draw a caterpillar that has a body that consists of 5 circles over here, and each line has a radius of 20. I'm also going to go over some of the common mistakes when using this challenge over here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create the circle over here, which we do with the circle commands, and inside we'll put the radius that we want it to be, and it says over here that each circle's radius should be 20. So let's start by writing a circle with a radius 20. Run it, and we can see that this over here is the body of the caterpillar. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to be able to move forward to get to the next circle. But how far forward should we go? A common mistake is putting the same length forward as the circle, but turns out that it doesn't work very well. If I make another circle over here, we'll be able to see that they're overlapping. And the reason that they're going to overlap is because the radius over here is the distance from the center of the circle to the outside of the circle, or more specifically, from any point in the circle. If we were to draw a line to the center, that would be half the distance of the circle. The entire distance, known as the diameter, would be double the radius. So in terms of how far Tracy needs to go double the length of whatever our radius is to go forward over here. And that gets us to drawing both circles while they're not overlapping. But the issue is now that I'm dragging the pen from circle to circle over here. So what I need to do is I need to use my pen down and pen up commands over here. So once I've drawn the circle, and before I move forward, I want to say pen up over here. That way Tracy picks the pen up. But then if I keep it as that, Tracy will draw this without putting the pen back down. So a collection of drawing the circle with radius 20, pick the pen up, move forward, and then once I'm in the right spot, I want to put the pen down, and then I want to draw the next circle. So we can see over here, the first circle was drawn, and then the steps, pen up, forward, pen down, these 3 steps over here need to be done before I draw the next circle over here. Then I can take that part over here, where I want to now lift the pen up again, move forward, and oh, that was weird. Let's fix that. I want to move forward again, so I can paste this in, and every time I paste those 4, another part of the body is going to be created, and as the assignment said, I want 5 of them in total. So I'm going to put 5, click run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I check my code over here, I have succeeded at all of the different parts. Now, this was not required in the assignment, but I'm just going to match over here Tracy by putting her over to the end to make the end worlds match over here. So that over here is just one more forward. This, again, is not necessary. And if I go forward over here, I want it to match the same amounts. So I draw the body, and I get Tracy to end at the same spot. Before I went forward, I do need to say pen up as well, because I dragged that pen there we go. And that is the challenge. So hope that helps. Hope you guys liked 125, and I'll see you guys in the next video.